Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to find a place from OpenStreetMap or Google Hybrid Map in QGIS. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the QGIS, then you have to upload here the OpenStreetMap. For that you have to go to Open Data Source Manager and double click on the OpenStreetMap. Here you see that OpenStreetMap came here. Now you can go to your place of interest by using the zoom in. For me this is Madhupur National Park, and this one is the Madhupur National Park. You can go to the place of interest by zoom in, and if you have enough knowledge about the geography, if you know that where the Madhupur National Park located, in which country, which district, which division, but if you don't have the enough knowledge about geography, then what you will do? As solution for that, you have several types of processes to go to the place automatically by using the coordinates or the searching by the place. We will learn here only two processes. Here you see that at the bottom left corner of your screen, type to locate. You can type here the coordinates or name of the places of interest. We will go for by name, as this one is much easy. For example, the place of my place of interest is Dhaka University. Click on the search icon, go to the nominating geocoder. Here you see it searching. The location came here, double click on the location, and you see that automatically it zoom in, and the area of Dhaka University visible on the screen automatically. You don't have do manual zoom in, it's done automatically. This one is the Dhaka University area. Let's go for another example. For say my area of interest is Madhupur National Park. Click on the search icon, go to nominating geocoder. It's searching, double click on the location, and this one is the Madhupur National Park automatically visible on the screen. And for this you don't have need to enough knowledge about the geography where the place located. You just need the name of the location or the coordinates of the location. In this way you can easily find the place or find the area of interest. Now you can work on it, you can extract it, or you can do anything you want on it. This one is the one process. So we will learn now another processes, which is by using the plugin. For that you have to go to plugin and manage and install plugin. Then you have to search here OSM, that means OpenStreetMap. Please search PLA. And now you have to install it. Click on install plugin. It's installing and installed. Now you can close it, and here you will find another search bar. You can search here your place. For say my place is Rajshahi University. It's searching, and here you see several location came here, and double click on the location of your interest. Double click on it, and here you see the Rajshahi University automatically visible on the screen, and this area is the Rajshahi University. Now you can work on it, you can extract it, or any type of work you can done here. In this way you can easily find the place of interest. You don't need to enough knowledge about geography for that, or you don't need to manually zoom in the place on the screen. Just search on the search bar and easily find the place. Hope that you understand very well. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or any query, please drop in the comment box. I will answer here. you may done the same thing for Google Map or Google Hybrid Map. For that, first of all, you have to upload here the Google Hybrid Map. Let's upload it. Here you see that this one is the Google Hybrid Map. Suppose you want to find a place, any place, and you don't have enough knowledge about geography and you don't know where the place is situated or located, you can easily find the place by using search bar here. Suppose Madhupur National Park, it's searching, double click on it, and this one is the Madhupur National Park. Here you see that Madhupur National Park, and same process for the plugin. Go to OSM place search. Here you see the Rajshahi University already here. Just search it and double click on the Rajshahi University, and this one is the Rajshahi University. Here you see that Rajshahi University Central Stadium, this one, and this one is the Rajshahi University area. As I said previously, the process is same for the OpenStreetMap or Google Map or Google Hybrid Map. You can easily find any area in the whole world from the OpenStreetMap or Google Hybrid Map in QGIS very easily by using this process. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any query, please drop in the comment box. Thank you.